Today I want to talk to you a little bit about the Amazon Influencer Program. If you're in the Amazon Influencer Program and you'd like to make more money, more tips, tricks, ideas, that's what this video is all about. I'm going to give you some things to think about. One of my best tips for making more money in the program. And then I will say that in the description of this video, there is a link to my free ebook that lays out how to make more money in the Amazon Influencer Program. That's the name of it. I have about 20 different topics in there that I've gone through, put in an ebook. That's available for you free. Just download it, get connected. You'll get on my email list where I send out tricks and tips and new videos every week. There's also a link in the video for an ebook. This one's not free, but this one will tell you how to get started and how to get free products. So for the 10 bucks that I charge for that book, the very first thing you get free by connecting with agents or sellers or manufacturers through creator connections or through Facebook or through email. All those tips, tricks, details are in that book. So click that link below and get to that. And then the last thing I'll tell you is if you don't have the free extension called Oink for Amazon influencers, that free extension caused me to upgrade to the yearly version, which cost $180. And after I paid for that, within 2 weeks I'd made an extra $300 to $400 just this month using Oink and creator connections and things like that. So that is one I would definitely recommend that you get it, try it free, try and learn and understand how it works. I'll have a whole bunch more videos on this channel about Oink and what it does. But I would recommend click my link, go to the Oink website, purchase it for basically $180 for a full year. That comes down to something like $17 per month, or maybe even less than that. 180 divided by 12, $16 per month. Definitely well worth it. Make your money back in nothing flat. So now let's jump right into this video. One of the ways to make a lot more money on Amazon is to be strategic about the product. And one of the things strategic about what products you make videos for is what the commission category is. Realize that it goes from 0.25% all the way up to 4%. And so if you can find categories that are 4%, like outdoors, outdoor furniture, tools, I know those are 4% because I do a ton of those. And so just from the get-go, if I sell something for $100, I'll make $4 on a 4%. If I sell something for $100, say in electronics, I believe that's really low, like at 0.5% or something, you'll make 50 cents on it. So strategic, just to go look at the commission that product is in as far as the category goes, and realize there's an on-site table for commissions, which is half of what the off-site commission is. And if you don't understand the difference between on-site and off-site, I'll tell you really quickly. The on-site commissions are videos you make and upload to your storefront inside of Amazon, and then Amazon puts them with the photographs and the vendor videos either in the top carousel or in the bottom carousel or in advertisements, or they used to have something that was similar to TikTok where they would put your videos, and those are considered on-site because Amazon is storing them on the Amazon site. Off-site is if you make a video, I highly recommend you upload it to YouTube and start a reviews channel out there. It doesn't have to be fancy. The videos don't even need to be different. You just upload them to YouTube, and then I go the extra step to make sure I put a description, I put a lot of keywords in, I put links back to the product on Amazon, but you can only put links back to the product on Amazon if your YouTube channel is mature. So you need to make sure you're verified at all 3 levels. I'll have another video right over here. It shows you how to get that verified. So that's the tip for today. Make sure you look at the category that your video is in and choose products around your house that have higher commissions. but just keep making videos. If you're just starting and you're at 10 videos or 20 videos or 100 videos, a good rule of thumb is $1 per video per month. And so if you can scale this thing to 1,000 videos, you'll roughly be in the 1,000 category. And I'm saying that's just a rough estimate, because if you end up with some amazing product like a Gucci watch that sells for $6,000 and they sell all the time, you could make really big commissions on an expensive item like that. Or if you sell some dish soap and it sells tons and tons and tons all the time, and you only make a nickel each time it sells, well, you still might end up at about $1 a month for that. I do have a lot of household items that sell crazy amounts like that, and for some reason or other, people actually watch my video and then go buy dish soap. So, you know, I've done demonstrations. I don't just say, hey, look, here's the dish soap, buy it, I like it. You know, you have to kind of show you've used it and things like that. So if you like this video, make sure like, share, subscribe. You'll get on my email list, and you'll also, once I get this channel built up, I will be putting up private unlisted members only videos, because Amazon is really strict about what you can repost. They don't like you reposting screenshots at all. And so if I'm doing any on the computer screen capture videos, I want to make sure they're private, and I want to make sure they're for members only. So thanks for watching. Like I said, like, share, subscribe, and tell your mom.